Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video I'll present you two different ways. The first one is more user-friendly, it is actually in the settings, and the second one is more developer-like. I mean, it is more advanced, it is because we have to activate the hidden mode. So let's start with the easier one. Let's go to the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find system update here. Then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to upgrade settings. So right here we've got two different options which are connected with the automatic update. The first one is here, so automatically download upgrade packages over Wi-Fi, which is a nice option obviously. However, it might happen during a day when you actually need your device. So it is great, but with some limitations. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And the second one, which is even better, is at the top. So the smart upgrade. So basically, not only your device will download the update, but also it will apply it. So automatically start the installation between 1 and 5 o'clock at night. When you're sleeping usually, so you won't have to wait until the process will be over or download anything manually. So this is the best option, to be honest, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher right here. It usually should be turned on by default, but sometimes some things happen, so I highly recommend to simply check whether you've got the smart upgrade turned on or not. And the second way is through the developer options. So let's scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, scroll down again and tap on Software Information, localize build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but no worries, this is quite normal. Everything is alright, just enter it to confirm. Then go back to the general list of the settings and go to System Management. Tap on Developer Options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find Automatic System Updates. So to turn it on, just tap on this switcher right here. So both ways are good. Basically, those are the same. They have the same effect. However, this one is a little bit more advanced. It will happen during the restart. Be aware, because if you want to have this option turned on, for some reason you have to also have developer options turned on, so you cannot really turn it off just by using the switcher. They need to be right here for some reason, at least in this device, not in all different devices I've used. So be aware about that. And just keep the developer options turned on to be able to automatically update system. But as I said, also you do not really need that. You can simply use the smart upgrade, which I've shown you in the previous way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.